Ho-ho! Oh no, the whole garden has been destroyed. Those darn mice, I've got to put a stop to them. My veggie cannon is ready. Game start. I'll use these mini veggies as ammo. Ho-ho! Shoot! Shoot! These veggies are too weak. I'll switch to stronger one. Shoot! Yes, that worked. Time for a bigger and stronger veggie. These tomatoes will finish off their house. That's what you get, you nasty mice. Ho-ho!
Help me, please.
Okay.
Let's go clean up the trash. There's so much trash on the road. Let's clean it up.
You need to hurry up. The snow is falling heavily.
Huh? Why does it not run? Emergency! We need help.
The snowplow truck's blade is engineered to move large volumes of snow to the side of the road with each pass. The snowplow can reveal unexpectedly clear roads. Whoa! The road is completely clear. Look at these mountains of snow blocking the road. Its powerful blade lifts and pushes the snow. Even large mounds of snow are swiftly cleared. It's impressive. The snow is finally brought to the gathering point. The conveyor belts carry the snow. The snow falls into defined areas.
I'm almost done.
Thanks a lot. Oh no, the carrot has disappeared. Give my carrots back. What happened to my carrot garden?
Check complete.
Huh? Would you like to eat some carrots? The police are coming.
Dare to hide the carrot. If you do this again, there will be serious consequences.
Are you okay? I have a way to get the carrot.
That's awesome, bro.
Keep quiet. Just ahead.
Whoa! Great, we found the carrot. So many carrots.
What?
Huh?
Oh no, my carrot.
So tough.
No, no.
It's almost time to eat the carrot.
What's that sound?
Let's get ready to escape.
Surprised? You won't escape.
How to hide the carrot without getting caught. Step 1. Build the mole's holes. Install the push rod. Install the motor. Connect to the battery box. I have 3 rows of holes. I need to check the push of rod. Install the playfield. Step 2. Build the mole mechanism. It works smoothly. Put the bait into the holes. By doing this, the police won't find out who the real thief of the carrots is. I have successfully hidden the carrot underground.